One more.
Look center.
Okay. Done.
Done.
Look here. Okay. One more. Light बन गया क्या? इधर भैया लगा देखिए.
Thank you.
Look here.
I'm Muskan Lund. I am 18 years old and I had participated in Mission Dreams when I was 16. And by the time I when we'd gone for the pageant, I was 17 and I won when I was 17. So achieving this title at the age of 17 actually really changed a lot of things for me, as well as for the community that I stayed in, and it's made my family and my community and my friends so proud. And so it's basically a platform wherein you can explore so much about yourself, and it teaches you a lot of things. It makes you realize what your strengths and what your weaknesses are, and that's what it did for me as well. So I know a lot more about myself, what I have changed. I've evolved as a person so much, and it's all because of Mission Dreams and the platform that they have given me. So many kudos to them for this. And yes, you can have a question.
As you said, like when you were 16, you associated with Mission Dreams.
Yes.
So how is this possible? Like, कैसे हुआ? How this association happened?
I was actually in my 10th grade when I saw Manushi Chiller winning Miss World. So since then I was so inspired. You know, it fueled so much passion inside of me to actually go into pageantry, and I really wanted to experience that same moment just like she did. I wanted to have the crown on my head. It wasn't my childhood dream like other people say, but I was 15 when I started dreaming about it. And then I was looking for pageants, you know, which allow girls under 18 years of age to participate in beauty pageants, and I found this national platform and I went for it, and yes, you can. Here I am.
Okay, the project, the pipeline working with Mission Dreams.
Yes, of course, it's a music video coming up with Niklesh, and it'll be here very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And avoid your cell phone. Please look forward. Avoid your cell phone. T-shirt Tata. Look here. Hard, eh? Oh, only 5. Look here, look here, look here. Look here. Sorry, sir, one.
Yeah, so we have questions now.
We're all wearing Jay Sachanandani's designs, and they're amazing, as you can see. And I have this peplum mermaid gown in grey, and I chose this because his designs are wonderful. It's intricate, and the color really attracted me a lot. So that's the reason I chose this outfit.
Okay, and the makeup artist name you told me?
And the makeup is being done by Anchal Chop. She is a celebrity makeup artist, and she's a London certified makeup artist. And she's enhanced our features really well, as you can see. So, yes, I think we're all really looking beautiful just because of her and Jay both.
कॉस्ट्यूम को छोड़ के और कुछ बोलना है
कॉस्ट्यूम के बारे में.
ओके हाउ डिड यू फाइंड अबाउट द कॉस्ट्यूम्स
और आप बोलो ना सब.
मुझे क्या पता हाउ डिड यू फाइंड अबाउट द कॉस्ट्यूम्स
No, sorry, I didn't get the
How
question.
The designs, you like the design?
okay yeah we are loving the designs even I got so many compliments over here from so many people that this design is looking really amazing on me and all thanks to designer that yeah he provided such a great look great outfit yeah and
Gowns are by Presha Creations.
dress creation yeah.
And trust me, it's really the cherry on the cake, and it's enhanced our look totally. And without the crown, I don't think we would have looked as beautiful as we look right now.
Thank you
so
thank
much.
you thanks so much
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, glass निकल गया.
Done.
Yeah, done.
यहाँ पे सच है यहाँ पे
Done. Thank you.
How the journey is, how it started, the whole Mission Dreams Media. Tell
Okay,
us.
thank you so much, guys, to be here. I'm so glad. And Mission Dreams is one of my dreams, which was like from since I dreamed from last 6 years. And it took me 4 years to execute this journey. So today I'm here as a producer. So yeah, it started from 2 years back from a beauty pageant called Mission Dreams Pageants. And this year we are starting Mission Dreams Media. It's totally a production house level. Yeah.
Okay, so what are the future plans like in your mission?
Okay, Mission Dreams Media is specially an independent platform for every aspiring models and those who are really talented, but because of some kind of problems they are not getting proper chance to showcase their talents. And here we will cast them the talents from different corner of the country, and we will produce web series, even feature films, even music videos under the banner of Mission Dreams Media, and we will promote them, we will launch them, we will we'll do everything. We'll produce, we will promote, we will launch, and we
If
will.
you met anybody from the industry, as you said, you're helping all the aspiring models who are here in Mumbai to do something big.
Please repeat once again. I didn't understand.
You met anyone here in Mumbai?
I met anyone. Did you ask? I met
Yeah.
anyone. Okay.
Any aspiring model who are here in Mumbai to do something big in the industry, in the glamour world, and
These are my models actually from last year. They are my pageant winners, and I have the responsibility to build their careers. That's why I am here right now in front of you guys, because one commitment was made 1 year back, and this year we are fulfilling it. As of now, we are starting with music videos. Even day before yesterday, I have signed a contract with the MX Player. Even we are going to create something really big, something really amazing, and it's gonna release very soon.
the delay happened just because of COVID happened, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, exactly. Even in between the COVID also, we shot 3 different music videos. Yeah.
You contacted any directors or writers for your music videos or film?
Yeah. You must
From the
have.
film industry?
Yeah. Actually, you must have heard the song. Sorry. Sabi Singh from actually he works with Milan Gaba. He was the director of my first song, and the entire team, and also I am hiring some of my core people. I'm basically from Kolkata. Right now, I'm trying to shift over here, but basically I'm from Kolkata, and my core team is from Kolkata. My DOP and director, they are from Kolkata. Yeah.
Okay, as you said, all over the India, you give a chance to inspiring models. So I just want to ask, any plans to go internationally?
Of course, yes. Even this year itself, we just had our last pageant in 2020 December. After that, I got a message from USA. There is a pageant, international pageant, which is called Miss Ultranational. It's an international level. They are giving me the franchise for the same. So definitely we will do something, globally, internationally. Then we will do something, production also international level. Yeah, it's all like said. I'm working on it.
Okay, as you said about the music album, so any sort of singers from the industry?
Singers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Singers. There are many singers who are associated with us. One of here who composed my song. Please come here. Come here. Please come. Vivek Garg is the one of the Bollywood's most amazing composer. Even he worked with a lot of singers. He is the composer of my song. Please ask him some questions.
What was your experience working with her?
Yeah, I did 3 songs for her, which will be releasing in Z Music, and we have got all known singers. We are also planning a feature movie, taking directors from South, which we are co-producing, and the directors who have worked with actors like Vikram Chian, Mahesh Babu. So those kind of directors we are collaborating with. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, we'd like to know more about the project. Like as you said, you are doing 3 music albums. So, क्या कुछ genre होने वाले हैं उस music album?
There will be Hindi genre?
Yeah, मेरा लास्ट गाना आपने देखा होगा तू भी रोएगा, which cross 100 million, and उससे पहले इश्क करे बर्बादिया with अंकित तिवारी, अरिजीत सिंह के साथ मेरा इश्क. So yeah, हम लोग we are doing those kind of sad songs ही basically कर रहे हैं आजकल, and nothing such. I cannot reveal it because music level के साथ
So many
हमारा.
projects are there. As of now, he don't want to reveal. Even there is my project he's working with. Even right now, we can't reveal. We will launch. We will do a launch party for sure. Then you can be able to hear.
लेकिन आप लोग भी म्यूजिक लेबल लॉन्च कर रहे हैं ऐसा सुनने में?
No, we are doing for the record level.
So for other music label you will produce the
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm working with a
different.
producer. Yeah.
Yeah.
So कुछ lines हो जाए आपके?
No, I'm just not gonna
So
say.
one.
तू भी रोएगा माही तू भी रोएगा बस एक ही लाइन. This was my last song, and yes, with her I did 2 breakup songs and 1 recreation, and upcoming इसी महीने रिलीज होने वाले कुछ. That's it.
Okay, I want to know from both of you, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे audiences, viewers को, like you are picking up all the inspiring models. तो काफी इंडिया में ऐसी हैं जो struggle कर रही हैं अपनी एक model बनने के लिए. तो क्या कुछ आप उनको कहना चाहेंगे?
So I just want to wish Priya all the best. I know her since 4-5 years and we have been working, collaborating. तो हमारी feature film जा रही है with I told you as a A-lister director, A-lister actors and जो movie हम करें बिल्कुल like you'll get to know in 3-4 days we'll be announcing those projects.
First Hindi film.
Hindi feature films.
Afterwards other.
हाँ. And directors, I just again saying this A-lister directors we have collaborated with a big like studio जो releasing partners हैं. Yeah, we'll be revealing in 3-4 days. Thank you.
You'll also give them chances in
Yes, they are collaborated. We just made contracts, official contract. तो उनके साथ music video हम लोग कर रहे हैं. So 2 गाने हम लोग Mauritius में कर रहे हैं and Bombay में कर रहे हैं एक गाना. So yeah.
Who will be the music directors?
I'm the composer and singers will be all known.
Your good name, sir.
Vivek Kar. Yeah, thank you.
And the people behind this.
Yeah.
Your association with this brand, this initiative, the people behind this.
Yeah. So I came in contact with Priya ji and she told me that the talent from different fields, they should be highlighted and they should be given a chance to go ahead. So that is how we started and definitely it's as a sports person, it's the first time for me, so it's a new journey for me. So just hoping my best that the start will be good.
What is the responsibility given to you? What is the responsibility given to you?
As of now, as a co-star, that is a responsibility that is given to me. But definitely as a team,
what sports do you play?
It's a speed skating.
Pardon?
It's a speed skating.
So you'll be training all the people under you.
No, basically I am also athlete and I am playing for India. So I have been a captain for Indian team for many years and India's fastest skater and have been national champion for many years. Also been awarded with the Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Award and just looking forward. Yeah, I have got an Asian medal in the Asian Championship. It's a bronze medal that we got it for the first time for our country. It's in 2016.
Do you think it's a good start? There are numerous females who turn up in Bollywood, in Mumbai, wanted to do something in the big industry. Do you think it's a good start where you're getting a platform to, explore yourself, showcase your talent?
I think absolutely with such a wonderful co-star and such a wonderful team, and I think it's both the ways. And for me also it's the first time, and for him also it's the first time, and for the platform to launch something, to launch a music video, it's for them also it's the first time. And also we're trying to kind of promote fresh talent. So I think we're just living examples for fresh talent, and I think it's a beautiful opportunity, of course, because to be honest, I'm exploring because it's something very new for me. So I'll be exploring. I'll be seeing if if I have to go further or how's it working for me. But I'm really enthusiastic about it and very, very, very excited.
Everything got digital, because of COVID.
Absolutely.
Fortunately or unfortunately, we have seen big films releasing on the OTT platform.
Yes.
Do you think it's another advantage for you?
Definitely, it's a big advantage because what happens many times, people from I belong to a skating fraternity, and mostly people from the cricket fraternity, they have been given chance. So they always keep on getting chances. But for a new face or for a new field like us, it's definitely a big thing for us.
What's your take on this?
I think it's definitely a pro for me because घर बैठे बैठे कितने लोगों को आपका टैलेंट, आप कितने लोग आपका टैलेंट देख सकते हैं, not just your country but worldwide. So you can do wonders if you use this platform effectively, and given a chance, I'm really lucky and blessed. So I think I'll make the most of it.
Are you inspired by
Who is your communication trainer?
Sorry?
Who is your communication trainer?
As of now, we're not aware of it, but communication trainer as in who's been my communication trainer?
You have excellent communication skills.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, I don't think I've taken any communication classes, but I love talking to people and I love talking about my life especially. So yes, here I am.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
You are inspired by the Bollywood actors and actresses. Can you name who have inspired you? आप इस फील्ड में आए हैं,
हाँ जी.
तो कौन से एक्टर एक्ट्रेस से आप इंस्पायर हो या जानते हो कि ऐसा करना चाहिए? Or they are well success?
I think for me, it's always been Shushmita Sen because I come from a pageantry background, and obviously even she's from a pageant background, and she's made our country so proud. So today standing here, starting my journey with a pageant, of
Even
course.
Priyanka Chopra also came from there.
Yes, Priyanka Chopra, we have Diya Mirza and so many other, Aishwarya Rai. We have so many people. But for me, it's always been Shushmita Sen because she's a wonderful speaker. She can actually touch so many people's hearts with her story, you know. So I feel that with your story, if you can inspire a million more people, I think that's where you connect. So it's always been her for me. And yes, Shushmita Sen inspires me.
आपका सर, आपका
Inspiration.
कोई
Basically, मैं जब ये sports में enter किया था, so I entered in 1994 and 5 May. So that time I started skating after watching Salman Khan. Though there are so many actors like Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, so many good actors are there. Definitely we'll look after them. And जितना हमसे best हो सकता है उतना best करेंगे. ये मेरे लिए new field है. Basically sports person they are not good in talking. They are very well aware of performing on field. But definitely I will try my level best to be here.
all the best.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Can you let me know your association with
Okay, so I always had a dream to be a beauty queen, and fortunately I got Mission Dreams, and I'm very lucky that my dream has been come true, and hoping to have a great and bright future ahead.
any project you're working with Mission Media?
Not now, but surely I know they'll had something for me, something big for me. Definitely they'll have something nice.
Okay, what do you like to say about this initiative? Like they are picking up all the inspiring models who are just struggling to be in this industry. How you want to
Okay, so I really adore Priya ma'am. She is a gem, and she loves to take up small girls to a very big platform, and that's a very great thing. Even I am not at all from this background. My family, all they are from medical background, and I'm here being a model. It's just because of her. She trained me to be confident, to be yourself, and trust on whatever you have, and just be yourself. That's it.
Okay, lastly one thing I want to ask. Miss India का अभी grand finale आ रहा है. Miss India 2020. Anything you want to say to all the contestants?
Okay, so आज फिनाले है उनका, तो I really want to सब जीते. Obviously everyone gives their hard work, everyone pays a lot of hard work, and being from Maharashtra, I also wanted to be something like she should come from Maharashtra. I hope. Let's see.
Okay, any memories you want to share of yours? Like
Okay, so yeah, so I'll share my purpose. Being a medical student, I always wanted to contribute my life towards the health of women or a girl child. And being a medical student and being into a modeling industry, I really want to work for the menstrual hygiene project and preparing for that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
My name is Khushbu Shivani. I am a homemaker and I have 2 kids, and I participated in Mission Dream 2020 for Mrs. India contest.
how this association happened with Mission Media? Association कैसा हुआ आपका Mission Media के साथ? Like आपकी कैसे बात हुई प्रिया मैम से, कैसे आपका मुलाकात?
How you got in contact with them?
Yeah. I saw Muskan's profile, and we are from same city. Then I thought I also do something that's
Creative.
Yes.
Something creative.
Yeah.
Okay, being a mother, काफी mothers हैं जो राम पे चलना चाहते हैं, काफी उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Any sort of tips or any inspiration you want to give them?
वेल मैं उनको ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि हम होम मेकर के साथ साथ अपने अगर पैशन पूरा करना चाहते हैं और वी आर डेडिकेटेड अबाउट दैट, तो वी डेफिनेटली कंप्लीट दैट. सो बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड बी बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
Hello guys, my name is Poonam Bilal, second runner-up of Mission Dreams Miss India Season 2. So, a very big thanks to Mission Dreams. Just look at me and look at my fellow contestants. Like on stage, I was yawning. Finale के दिन, I was yawning. Oh shit, तेरा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. There are more beautiful girls and heighted girls. look at Muskan, look at the winner of season 2. Like, हाँ नहीं होने वाला, तू घर ऐसे ही जा. And suddenly, and second runner-up goes to Miss Poonam, and I was like, yes, it's me. हाँ.
How does association happen? How you collab with
Mission Dreams. Actually, season 1 में I gave audition, but because of some financial condition मैंने back out कर लिया. But मुस्कान से मेरी बात होती रही and उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से गाइड किया कि go for it. And प्रिया मैम से बात हुई कि हाँ ऐसा है, go for it. उन्होंने मेरे पेरेंट्स से बात किया and then yes, कुछ नहीं तो कुछ ही सही. हाँ सबटाइटल तो लेकर आऊँगी घर पे. And then see, look at this.
Okay, lastly, being a part of Mission, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए?
Well, I'm speechless right now, but it's a great platform. आपकी strengths, आपके weaknesses, each and everything आपको day by day पता चलती जाएगी. वो 3 to 4 days जो हमारे मिशन ड्रीम्स के साथ रहे हैं और आगे भी जो कंटेस्टेंट्स रहने वाले हैं, आपको स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस के बारे में पता चलेगा एंड यस एक्सप्लोर करने मिलेगा, खुद ही को आप अच्छे से जान पाएंगे. एंड देन यस, थैंक यू सो मच.
International fashion director, fashion connoisseur, and been associated with Mission Dreams as a show director, and from the start itself. And yeah. So we've been working with Priya for a good long time, from her own build-up as a career. So we had groomed her during our operation period, and it has been a lovely journey working with Mission Dreams, a great platform for youth and young, with the vision to promote and excel the local talent. They work on hunting the raw talent from the grassroots.
Okay, how does collab, how does association happen with Mission?
We has been working as a consultant for various pageants and fashion weeks. So we are associated with Rajasthan Fashion Week, Dubai International Fashion Week, even International Fashion Goa, and so on. So even for Priya, as I told just a few minutes back, that we had been working on our own development of career. So we had groomed her in various pageants she had participated before. So that has been our journey. So we had been guiding her through the whole process. So it has been long-term association.
Okay, being a director, what I just want to ask, models को क्या कुछ ज़हन में रखना चाहिए जब वो रैंप पे वॉक करते हैं?
That's one thing. See, the only thing I would say is be true to yourself. You should know what your strengths are, and you should know what your weaknesses are. So only thing I say, when you walk the ramp or the stage, reflect your strengths and cover your weaknesses, because no one is perfect. That's a simple way.
Okay, lastly, so काफी models हैं, काफी inspiring models हैं, strugglers हैं जो चाहती हैं कि उनका career as a model बने. उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, like on behalf of Mission?
Okay, what I would say is work on yourself, be confident. Being a model is a person who is reflecting to the public, being an idol, in short. So, but as a profession, it has more challenges. You have to stand out. You have to have parallel interest and passion to work. And the industry is still growing. So they need to have a lot of knowledge. So I would say is gain a lot of knowledge, not just do or work on shortcuts to participate. That's where they have a short come of careers. So have knowledge on what is going in the trend. Fashion, it is all about being trendy, working on yourself, associating, networking, and having all the right knowledges. I would even love to introduce my colleague, Mr. Sanjay, an international fashion.
Hey guys, what's up?
He's a renowned fashion director.
What's up?
Yeah.
Hi.
We're working together for a good long time.
Yeah. So first of all, it feels so delightful to see you all here. Thank you so much for coming down here and making us feel more happy. Thank you so much. And coming back to this, oh my God, this feels unreal. Because post year, like last year, we couldn't believe that something like this could happen after this huge pandemic, which has brought all the entire world into a certain situation. But yes, we are primarily very happy for all the contestants out there and love you all, and I wish you all very, very best, and just make it bigger.
Okay, anything you want to say to all the winners?
Okay, yeah. Okay. So we've been talking a lot about the winners, but yes, one thing which I'm really happy about, that each winner, every contestant has brought a very nice change in themselves. Having said that, I'm sure they know what they want to do in their lives, and they are very much clear about it. And I'm sure they're going to be doing really, really, really big in their coming life. So all the best for them.
And Mission Dreams will help them.
Absolutely, Mission Dreams have.
See, in short, change is permanent. वो तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. Change is permanent. Mission Dream is a platform which will guide them. Their change and their learning is their own. They have to imbibe their own skills and talents. Mission Dream is a platform which will just keep on guiding throughout. And we will be there too.
Yes, exactly. Mission Dream has always been there since day one, because we know since Mission Dream started 2 years back, and we were really excited to make such a platform where the real talent can come up front and without any hesitation they can go forward and do their best. So we're really, really happy today. This is happening with those beautiful ladies standing out there smiling brightly. So it's all happy. It's all happy all around.
Yeah, and Mission Dreams is a guiding light, and so are you, the media. So you, media, is the one who is actually will be promoting them as strongly as we are.
Yes.
So rightly, you need to push these local grassroots talented who has really worked from their own efforts.
Yes.
So you, media, have to keep reporting and pushing them, and always giving them positive vibes. So all
Thank
the
you
best,
so much
guys.
for being so
Love
positive.
you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
Thank you.